Have you ever felt like someone was ignoring you or being distant, even though you didn't know why? This is often described by the English idiom, give someone the cold shoulder. Understanding this common expression can really help improve your communication skills. Let me tell you a funny story about a time someone misunderstood this idiom. My friend Sarah was invited to a party, but when she arrived, the host barely acknowledged her. Sarah thought the host was literally giving her a cold shoulder. So she started rubbing her own shoulder, trying to warm it up. So, what does give someone the cold shoulder actually mean? It's a figurative expression that refers to ignoring or being deliberately distant towards someone, often as a way to show dislike or disapproval. Now, let's see how this idiom is used correctly. My coworker, Alex, was passed over for a promotion, and ever since then, his boss has been giving him the cold shoulder. Alex feels completely isolated and unsupported in the office, which is really affecting his motivation and productivity. Here are some examples of how you can use give someone the cold shoulder in different contexts. In a casual conversation, she's been giving me the cold shoulder ever since I forgot her birthday. In a formal setting, the committee members gave the proposal a cold shoulder, and it was ultimately rejected. In a negative context, I was so upset when my best friend gave me the cold shoulder after we had a fight. In a humorous context, the cat gave me the cold shoulder all day after I accidentally stepped on its tail. In a literary context, the lonely protagonist felt the cold shoulder of society as he walked the empty streets. In a business setting, the investors gave the startup a cold shoulder, and the company struggled to secure funding. On social media, I can't believe my ex is giving me the cold shoulder on all my posts. It's so petty. To help you remember the meaning of give someone the cold shoulder, think of a person literally turning their back on you and ignoring you, like they're giving you the cold shoulder. This visual image can really cement the figurative meaning in your mind. Now, let's explore some fun facts about this idiom. The expression give someone the cold shoulder dates back to the 1800s, when it was considered rude to literally turn your back on someone. This idiom reflects the cultural value of politeness and respect in social interactions. In some regions, similar expressions like give someone the cold eye are used to convey the same meaning. Over time, the usage of give someone the cold shoulder has evolved to also describe ignoring someone on social media or in digital communication. Here are some related idioms and expressions you might encounter. Similar, shut someone out, snub someone, shun someone. Opposite, embrace someone, welcome someone with open arms, shower someone with attention. Related, turn a cold shoulder, give someone the cold treatment, freeze someone out. Let's try using give someone the cold shoulder in a sentence. After I accidentally spilled my drink on her at the party, my boss has been giving me the cold shoulder all week. Now, let's rephrase that without using the idiom. After I accidentally spilled my drink on her at the party, my boss has been ignoring me and acting distant towards me all week. Here's a real-life story that shows how effectively using give someone the cold shoulder can convey a message. My friend Sarah was trying to get her neighbor to return the gardening tools she had lent him. But every time she asked, he would make excuses and avoid her. Finally, Sarah decided to give him the cold shoulder whenever they crossed paths. After a week of this, the neighbor sheepishly returned the tools, realizing that Sarah was serious about getting them back. Let's talk about some common mistakes and how to avoid them when using give someone the cold shoulder. Grammatical mistake, saying he gave I the cold shoulder instead of he gave me the cold shoulder. Remember to use the correct pronoun. Meaning misunderstanding, thinking the idiom refers to literally turning your body away from someone. when it actually means ignoring or being distant towards them. Inappropriate context, using the idiom to describe a situation where someone is physically cold, rather than emotionally distant or ignoring you. Now, let's test your understanding of give someone the cold shoulder. 1. What is the meaning of give someone the cold shoulder? A. Literally turn your back on someone. B. Ignore or be deliberately distant towards someone. C. Offer someone a cold beverage. Correct answer, B. 2. Which of these expressions is synonymous with give someone the cold shoulder? A. Welcome someone with open arms. B. Shower someone with attention. C. Shut someone out. Correct answer, C. 3. Which of these expressions is the opposite of give someone the cold shoulder? A. Embrace someone. B. Snub someone. C. Freeze someone out. Correct answer, A. In summary, give someone the cold shoulder is a common English idiom that refers to ignoring or being deliberately distant towards someone, often as a way to show dislike or disapproval. Understanding this expression can really help you communicate more effectively in a variety of contexts, from casual conversations to formal settings. Now it's your turn. Share your experiences with using give someone the cold shoulder in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more idiom lessons. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this idiom. How have you encountered it in your daily life? Share your own examples in the comments below.